Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the ladder cable stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, front post double crochet stitch, and back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a double crochet stitch, so you'll be skipping the first stitch. Into each of the next 4 stitches, you're going to make a front post double crochet around each of them. That's how that first one is looking. You're going to need 3 more of those. And that's 4 front post double crochet stitches made. Now into each of the next 4 stitches, you're going to make a back post double crochet around each of the next 4. There's that first one, so we're going to need 3 more. That's 4 back post double crochet stitches made. Now you're going to be alternating between these 2. You're going to make 4 front post double crochet stitches, then 4 back post until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left over here. These are going to be counting as a double crochet stitch. So you're going to work a double crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet, so you're going to be skipping the first stitch. We're going to be doing the same stitches as we did on our last row. We're going to be doing front post double crochets and back post double crochets. We're just starting with the back post first. So skipping this first stitch, over these next 4 stitches, you're going to make a back post double crochet over each. Then over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make a front post double crochet over each. So that's how things are looking so far. You would now start repeating from these 4 back post double crochets. You're going to make 1 back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Then make 1 front post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Then make 1 back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. These counted as a double crochet, so into the top of these chains, make a double crochet to complete your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the ladder cable stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.